All right, there are a lot of topics in today's lessons, so we are going to fly through this. If there's something you don't understand, make sure you go back and rewind so that you can understand it a little bit better. So question number 1 asks us to find the perimeter of our rectangle. So to find the perimeter, I just have to add up all the sides. I know that this side is 6 and this side is 4 because it's a rectangle, so adding up all the sides, I end up getting a perimeter of 20. Okay. To find the perimeter of a square, you know all the sides are equal, so each side is 3.5, so I can just multiply 3.5 by 4. In this example, the perimeter is going to be 14. And then in this example, number 3, I'm going to find the perimeter by multiplying 7 by 5 because there are 5 sides in a regular pentagon. Regular means all the sides are equal, so my perimeter for this is 35. The formula for the circumference of a circle is pi d, or 2 pi r, either one is fine, whatever you prefer. D stands for diameter, and r stands for the radius, and the diameter is twice as big as the radius. So in question number 4, the radius is 3, which means the diameter is 6. So to find the circumference, I just do pi times 6, which is, or pi times d, so that means that the circumference is 6 pi. Just type that into your calculator to find out what it is rounded to the nearest hundredth, and that answer would be 18.85. Okay, same thing with number 5. The diameter is 7, so the circumference is 7 pi. Round that to the nearest hundredth, you get 21.99. All right. So then question number 6 says, to the nearest hundredth of a unit, what is the radius of a circle whose circumference is 24 pi? So we know that the circumference is, the formula is pi d, okay? So we know that the circumference is 24. So to solve for d, I just divide by pi, okay? So that means that my diameter, rounded to the nearest, sorry, I'm not going to round quite yet, is 24 pi, 24 over pi, excuse me. All right, so now to find the radius, all I need to do is I need to divide this by 2. So the radius is going to be 24 over pi divided by 2, or 24 over 2 pi, okay, which is approximately equal to 3.82 units. Okay. All right, for time's sake, we're going to skip question number 7, and let's go to question number 8. The perimeter of a rectangle is 20 inches. Solve for x. So one thing that you guys need to make sure that you are aware of, just like we did before, is that this side is x, and then this side is 3 times x minus 2. So I'm going to add up all the sides. So that's one option, or I could just say that there's 2 of each set of sides. So that means I've got 2 times x, because that's this first side right here. And then I also have 2 times this side right here. And I know altogether it's 20, okay? So that means I've got 2x plus, I know this is 6, because 2 times 3 is 6, times x minus 2 equals 20. So I end up getting 2x plus, distribute this through, 6x minus 12 equals 20. Combine your like terms, you end up getting 8x minus 12 is 20. So you get 8x equals 32, which means that x is equal to 4. Okay? And then question number 9. You are running on a track that is shown to the right. How many feet is one round around the track? So basically all I'm trying to do is figure out how big it is, how many feet there are from here to here, okay? And then how many feet there are from here to here, and then again how many feet there are from here to here, okay? And then lastly how many feet there are from here to here. That's one distance around the track, okay? So this is easy. The purple part is easy. I know that this is just 450 feet. So that's the first part. Once I hit this part right here though, I now have a circle. So I'm going to do the pink part right here, this circle part right here, and I know that it's only half of a circle. So the distance right here, I would normally use the the circumference, which is pi d, but it's only half of a circle, so I'm going to cut it in half. okay? So it's going to be plus pi times 140. I know that my diameter is 140 based on this information right here, cut in half, right? And then I get to go another 450 feet right here, okay? So this part right here will be plus 450 feet. And then lastly, I have another half of a circle to go. So pi times 140 over 2, okay? So this ends up being 450 plus this is 70 pi, all right, plus another 450 plus another 70 pi. You can just plug that right into your calculator and you will get your final answer rounded to the nearest hundredth. It's about 1,339.82 feet. And that's it. That's all I have to do. We're not going to do question B again for the sake of time, okay?